everybody! I'm here today to show you how to shoulder check when turning. In this video driving lesson, I'll be going over the basics of shoulder checking when you're turning. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now, first of all, let's clear some things up. Then I'll tell you how to shoulder check and sort of tell you why you're doing it, and then I'll demonstrate it, okay? You're actually going to see me shoulder check right now as I'm turning before I even demonstrate it officially, okay? So basically, a shoulder check is also known as a blind spot check. And essentially what you are doing is checking over your shoulder, just like that. I just did it, just like that, to sort of see what is going on, to see what the mirrors aren't showing you. Now, basically, you can look in your rearview mirror and you can look in your side mirror, and they're going to show you different areas around your car. But there is an area between what you see in your rearview mirror and what you see in your side mirror kind of idea. There's an area there where a car or a pedestrian or something or someone can be. They can be in that area and you can't see them or it in your mirrors. And that's why you check your shoulders. That's why you do your shoulder check, because when you do your shoulder check, that is actually going to show you that little hidden spot. So you're basically seeing what you can't see, okay? You need to shoulder check when you're turning. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So first of all, how to shoulder check, the actual motion, and then I'll tell you when in the turning process you're going to do it. Essentially, you want to take your head, look over your shoulder, and look back to the front. Now, your shoulder check should only last like a fraction of a second. Like that. Very simple. And in more of a practical scenario, it looks something like that. Very simple. And you can shoulder check both directions. A lot of people will say, you know, you only have to shoulder check over your passenger side. I don't agree with that at all. You should shoulder check over both directions. Even if you've positioned your mirror so that you don't have as much of a blind spot. Like, come on, we're talking about you're risking someone's life for a fraction of a second. Okay, now, don't shoulder check like this, because I see a lot of people doing it like this. Don't do that, okay? Nope. Do not, please do not do that. Horrible idea, unbelievably dangerous. Please do not do that, okay? Because when you do that, you're completely taking your eyes off of the road and you're looking behind your car. Your blind spot is right here or right here, not behind your car. So with all of that being said, don't shoulder check like that, okay? Now, when in the turning process? Well, essentially, you need to shoulder check before you turn. Okay, before you start to turn. So you're gonna signal, you're gonna check your mirrors. I like to signal and then check both of my mirrors, so my rear view mirror and my side mirror, and then I like to shoulder check. But some people will recommend shoulder checking before the mirrors, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter as long as you're doing a shoulder check before you turn. So I'm going to turn and I'm going to demonstrate momentarily. Now, you should also be shoulder checking before you pull over, before you start moving again if you're pulled over, before you switch lanes, but this is about turning specifically, so I'm going to demonstrate before I turn, while I turn, okay? So let's go ahead and we're going to get into the turning lane in just a moment. Come on, man, learn how to drive, bro! Watch some of my videos! This guy doesn't know how to drive. 2 cars up ahead. You're holding up the whole lane, brother. Come on! All right, anyways, enough of that. Whatever, what are you going to do? You want to signal, and at some point before you turn, you want to do your shoulder check. So if this person would learn how to drive, I could continue doing my video, bro. Holy! I don't mind if people aren't the best drivers, if they only interfere with themselves. But when you start interfering with my videos, you're interfering with hundreds of thousands of people that are in my audience going to watch this. Come on, move it. Sorry, really frustrates me. I'm heading to Costco. You know, when you get to a Costco parking lot, when you get to any parking lot of any grocery store, any retail store, to be honest with you, it can just get disastrous. And I'm getting closer, so the drivers seem to be getting worse right now for some reason. I love Costco. Costco's an amazing place. It just seems like the parking lot, you know, is full of drivers that aren't the best drivers. All right, so we're about to turn. I'll make multiple turns for you because I know I've been leading up to this for like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna signal and we're gonna come to a stop. Okay, so I really do apologize. Honestly, I was supposed to turn a long time ago. Okay, we're signaled, we're good. Rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot, and I'm looking at the intersection now, okay? It's that simple. Once again, I'll do some more examples right over here. So we're driving up ahead. I'm gonna turn to this parking lot. Signal, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. Make the turn, just like that, okay? We're gonna turn around, and then I'll do some more examples. Right now, I'll show you some more examples. Okay, very simple. Let's not do a curb hop. We're good. Okay, I'm signaling, and I'm gonna wait because I see a car coming over here. So I'm gonna check my mirrors, check my blind spot, and now I'm gonna turn, just like that. Now, another example of when I would check my blind spot before my mirrors, like some people do, is right now I'm signaling, blind spot, mirrors, and now I can turn, just like that. So, to be honest with you, it doesn't matter when you shoulder check within the process. All that matters is that you are shoulder checking. Because if you shoulder check before or after your mirrors, I'm a fan of after because it's like the flow of checking your mirrors like this and to the shoulder check. But I really want to say, like, my way is not necessarily the best way. It doesn't really make too much of a difference, to be honest with you. What's going on over here? Let's see, you guys. I'll give you some entertainment. Okay, so you know what? Let's see if we can get in. There's a I won't say the brand name. I don't know if you saw it when I was turning in, but let's see if I can get gate not working. Let's see if we can get in here. Let's see if we can get in here. Oh, woo! No, we can't. Sorry, I was trying to give you guys some entertainment. Oh, woo! That was loud. Do you want to remember to do that again? Woo! All right, this video is getting kind of weird now. I wanted to give you guys some entertainment, but at the end of the day, when you shoulder check, it is completely and all about checking your blind spot where your mirrors won't show you. It's super duper important. Let's drive through a big puddle. I gotta give you something now. Let's go, baby, let's go. No, didn't really do much. All right. Okay, anyways, it is super duper important to do it. It doesn't matter so much about when to do it. I really apologize for this. Like, what was supposed to be a 3-minute video ending up being like a 7 or 8 minute video, but hopefully you got something out of it about how to shoulder check when turning, and that's it. I mean, hopefully at least you found it entertaining at the minimum. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.